After a long wait, Seedance 2.5 has been launched. From today, you can now make up to 3 minutes long video with just one click. Today, I will show how to access Seedance 2.5 right now. You can edit your video directly from video timeline at a time up to 30 seconds native 4K output with stable continuity. You can also use green screen film or white model references for more precise control of character movement, spatial location, and interactions. Seedance 2.5's AI video generator follows structured motion paths instead of relying only on text prompts, making complex multi-character scenes more accurate, stable, and production-ready for professional results. You can now refine only the parts of a video that need adjustment instead of recreating the entire scene. Replace incorrect objects, modify visual details, or improve characters while preserving lighting, composition, motion, audio, and timeline continuity, making AI video editing faster, more flexible, and closer to professional post-production. Seedance 2.5 preserves character identification, lighting, motion, and scene consistency during lengthier sequences, enabling producers to churn out whole stories without apparent quality loss or continuity gaps. You can now combine text prompts, scripts, reference photos, videos, music, style guides, and more into one generating process. Supporting up to 50 multimodal inputs, Seedance 2.5 understands complete creative direction and control. But how to use Seedance 2.5? I will give the link in description, and you will come directly to this website. You may see something different, don't worry. Right now, it is the best way to start using Seedance 2.5. Firstly, you will need to select video model to start generating with Seedance 2.5, not only Seedance 2.5. You can also use any video model you want from here, like Seedance 2.0 want all update models, Seedance all previous models, Minimax H3 model, Kling all update models as well as previous models, Hailuo AI, Luma, Veo 3.1, even Sora 2, Pika, Grok, Vidu, Pixverse, Happy Horse, Runway ML, Gemini Omni. All AI video generators model are in this single website, including Seedance 2.5. So why you are waiting for? Click and visit and open your free account and start using Seedance 2.5. You can use up to 30 reference images, 10 reference videos, 10 audio files at a time right now. Give your prompt. Select aspect ratio as you want. Then select video duration up to 30 seconds at a time. Select resolution and finally click submit. Wait for a few seconds and see a result of Seedance 2.5 like this one.
Seedance 2.5, reality shifting into play.
Observe the frame, the speed, the heat. Observe the pixels under feet. Construct a way the humans feel. Watch as the fluid starts to peel.
So, don't miss this fortunate moment and don't forget to click the link in description. Thank you for watching.